This is nice from here over to Acton Bridge, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, that's more like it. A field full of full fat cows. None of that semi-skimmed shit.
Right, well, we're back in England, so that 30 means 30, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the police station, isn't it?
Well, that's somebody's house.
Probably a community police station.
Yeah, maybe.
I forgot, it's still 30, isn't it?
It is.
It is, mate, it is.
But is that the 50 sign?
Then TRT says we've gone up to 50, but I didn't see the speed.
I saw it on the right hand side.
Yeah, it's here.
Oh,
On
right.
there.
Yeah. That's a repeater though.
Turning right.
Yeah.
Moldsworth.
Old Moldsworth. Boy.
Finger.
You're starting to get that crispy smell, aren't you, when you go through the trees like this?
Yeah, that's bear shit.
What is this buffoon
Where
doing?
the hell are you going?
Well, he's in a big car. It needs a lot of space to turn round.
Good God.
He's obviously doing a Yui from the lay-by. And that's an insult to buffoons. That's white van dickhead. They've got their own rules.
Look at this house in front of us here.
Wow.
Car coming.
Oh, beautiful. Wow.
Nice.
That'd be beautiful sitting out the front of that on a nice summer night.
Right. She hasn't told me diddly.
Oh, I'm not. No, nothing's come up for me neither.
No, nothing came up for me. Straight across.
I'm guessing this junction doesn't exist then. Stop kicking the floor, my love. Stand up, it's easier.
Stretch my leg.
Yeah, that's why I stand up. Well, then again, no. Well, you can stand up. I might touch my head on the bridge.
Here you touch a noodle.
So, we're in the forest now, Delamere Forest, this.
Yeah. The arse end of Delamere. Yippity doo dah.
Pretty day.
That was mega stood up right until the bug hit me in the windshield. I had my visor down.
That's a good job, otherwise you've got extra protein.
Yeah. Between the teeth.
In those on cycles. What were they thinking?
I was
Oh,
getting carried,
dog.
I was getting carried away then.
There's nothing wrong with getting carried away, Stu. You have at it, mate.
It's the bike, it's a bad influence on me.
Tell me about it. I keep wanting to pop a wheelie. Carrying the dog. It's got 4 legs, make the fucking thing walk.
Make the chuffing thing walk.
Oh, sorry, on camera. Sorry, Dad. You'll have to beat me later.
I can't believe how many cars are out here parked up. Instead of going in car park. Look at that, looks like Bates's motel. Oh, a puddle.
Sorry, they see us as food. Puddle! I thought you'd have gone to the deep side. Oh, that's right. Spray me windshield. Thank you.
Can't come in.
Can't.
I've now got white marks all over my screen. I need to learn to drop back. Whenever it says puddle, I need to hit the brakes.
Yeah, but don't hit them when you're in the puddle.
Yeah, that's true. I am a bit puddled. Oh, I'll tell you what, that's lovely and warm on my cars, that is. Oh. Oh, that's nice. I like that. It's not very comfortable, but it's warm.
Weirdo.
What are you doing?
Got my feet up on the engine stock. Got my ankles on the bars.
He's doing a Roy.
Yeah.
Corrosion. Oh, rather.
It's a nice
Crackers
little
country. Ah, nice Morgan. He looked happy, didn't he, eh?
He did.
Bloody
He did. It was funny because all I got was miserable old shirt. That's all I heard.
Go down to the bottom and turn left. Or turn right if you go to J&S, but no.
Yeah. So I have a nose. We've got a couple of minutes, haven't we?
Well, it's 4:10. They've been cut now, haven't they?
They'll not be far off,
They
will
shut on
they?
a Saturday.
Is it 4 o'clock?
I'm not sure if it's 4 or 1/2 past. It'll take us 15 minutes or more to get there from here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Come on, cyclist, make your mind up where you're going.
Using the whole road and exercising his right to be a dick.
yeah.
The law says I can ride in the middle of the lane if I feel safer. Shut up, you Nancy.
Whenever I hear that name, I always think of Nancy off Nightmare on Elm Street, you know, the original one.
Yeah.
Still flashing.
I am.
Mine cancelled. There you go, just as you go over the bridge, pub on the right, steam first.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh. How cool.